Hello all my lovely children out there. A very warm morning to everyone. Welcome back to the English class. I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, let us do a quick review of what we did in our previous class. Yes, in our previous class we have started Module 7 from our English workbook part 2. And what are the things that we discussed in our previous class? First, we have discussed synonyms and its meaning, and secondly, we have discussed verbs, the action words. Now, first, synonyms. My dear students, what are synonyms? So, synonyms are the words that have same meaning or almost the same meaning. So, synonyms means similar meanings, having words having similar meaning. Okay, children, we can say kids also. Gift, we can say present also. Happy, we can say joyful also. Like this, big, it can be also said as huge. Okay, so these things, these kind of words are called as synonyms. And the next topic is the verbs. The verbs are also called action words. So action words are which words in a sentence that where the subject does some action, and that particular action is called a verb, action word. For example, I am eating a pizza. So what I am doing? I am eating. What I am eating? Pizza. So what the thing I am doing? What is the activity I am doing? I am eating. So the word eating is called as verb action words. I hope it is clear to you. So my dear students, today in this class we are going to start yet another topic from our section that is called the helping verbs. Okay, so from this very topic, what do you think? Helping verbs. So helping verbs are the verbs that helps. Okay, so what is the objective of today's class is to be able to learn about helping verbs and their usage in a sentence. So we will be learning about the helping verbs, different helping verbs and their usage, how they are used in different sentences. Okay, now actually what are helping verbs? Okay, sometimes a verb cannot stand alone, cannot work alone. They needs a helper. Okay, they needs a helper. So these helpers actually are called as helping verbs. I have just explained in an easy way. Okay, sometimes I am repeating it once again. Sometimes the verbs, they need some helpers. They cannot stand alone, they cannot work alone. So they need some helpers. So these helpers are called as what? The helping verbs. Alright, so actually now what are helping verbs? What is the definition? Helping verbs are verbs that comes before the main verb in a sentence. Okay, so these verbs are the verbs that comes before the main verbs in a sentence. Alright, so let me discuss it with the help of an example to make it more clear to you. Okay, here I am grabbing it to discuss an example regarding the helping verbs so that you will understand it much better. Okay. Now I am writing a sentence for you. Here I am writing. Okay, please see it properly. The students are playing. Okay, just I have taken a simple example here. Students are playing. Alright, now students are playing. So what they are doing? The students are playing. So here, which is the main verb? What do you think? This is the students is the object, the subject in a sentence. So which is the main verb actually? Students are playing. Actually, what are the students are doing? The students are playing. So the word playing is the main verb, and we have written main verb. Now, what we have got? The helping verbs are the verbs that is used before a main verb. So before this main verb, what is the word used? Are. Okay, are. The students are. So this are is called as the helping verb. Clear? Is it clear to you, students? I think it is clear to you. Okay, the students are playing. They are doing some activity. What they are doing? They are playing. Actually, it is an action word. It's not it, but here in the sentence, it is the main verb. Students are doing something. They are playing. The main activity is what? They are playing. Main verb. So before the main verb, always a helping verb comes. So if I write the students playing, If you write like this, students playing with the, if I cover this, for example, if I cover this are, if I say only the students playing, will it be a correct sentence? Will it be a complete sentence? No, it will not be a complete sentence. Okay, it will be wrong. So we need a helper. We need a helper. So the verb needs a main verb. This main verb, it needs a helper to work. Okay, so this helper is are. This is the helping verb. So my dear students, I hope it is clear to you. Now let us see what is given in the book. Okay, I'm going to read it out. Please, you also take out your book and see along with me. A few verbs do not show action but help the main verbs to complete their meanings. They come before the main verb. Such verbs are called as helping verbs. Alright. Now here you can see there is a list of helping verbs given. Is, are and am. Is, are and am are the very important helping verbs. Their usage is also given. Let us see. Is. Used with he, she, it and singular nouns. Okay. Is used always with he, is, she, is, it, is or the singular nouns. For example, she is doing her homework. So here, which is the main verb here? Doing. As I have said, which is the main verb here? Playing. So same likewise, doing. So before doing, the helping verbs come. What is that? Is. She is doing. So here is the helping verb. Next one is are. Used with you, we, they and plural nouns. So are is what? Actually are is the plural one. The children are playing in the garden. Children is the plural form. What is the singular form of children? It is child. So children are playing in the garden. So here, which is the main verb? Playing. And which is the helping verb? Are. Alright. The next one is am. Used only with I. So always remember, my dear students, the helping verb am is only used with the word I. I am walking. It is only, we don't ever say he am walking or she am walking. Okay, we always say I am walking. Here, walking is the main verb and am is the helping verb. Clear? It is very easy, students. Just if you see it properly, minutely, you will understand it. Sometimes the helping verbs do not come with a main verb. At those times, they are called as be verbs. Yes. Sometimes the main verb is absent. It is missing in a particular sentence. At that time, these becomes a be verbs. For example, I am sick. So in this sentence, I am sick, there is no helping verb. So here it's a simple I am sick. They are here. So we cannot see a main verb here. So it is just a, here it has become be verbs. He is hungry. Alright, so I think students, you have understood it well. Alright, so here exercise 3.2, what is given? Tick the correct helping verbs or V verbs to complete the given sentences. So here it is given 3.2. We will be doing this exercise in our live class. Okay, we will be doing this, discussing these exercises in our live class, and you will be doing it. Then it will be more interesting to you. Alright, so that is all for today, my dear students. I hope you have understood what is helping verbs. Actually, helping verbs, let us revise it once again. Helping verbs are the verbs that is used before a main verbs. Okay, why? Because main verbs, they need some helpers to work together. Okay, so what we have learned in this class today, learning outcome of today's class is we have learned about helping verbs and their usage. I hope it is clear to you. Please go through the topics well, and we will be doing the exercises on this topic in our live class. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.